Happy Konfirmasyon, Emilie! Nasa magandang kalooban mo ang iyong pag-iisip at pag-aaral. Wish ko magpatuloy ka sa buhay mo. Yay!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Hi, Emilia. Congratulations on your confirmation. So today, you take a beautiful step deeper into your faith. So I couldn't be prouder of a young woman you are becoming. So may the Holy Spirit guide you, strengthen you, and fill your life with grace and purpose. So always remember, take care of yourself, love yourself, especially mommy. Always remember that we love you here in the Philippines. So see you soon, and once again, congratulations!
Hello, Emilia. Happy Confirmation Day. First of all, always have faith and pray to God. So He will lead you in your goals and dreams. Also, don't forget to take care of our mommy. Take care of yourself as well. Stay humble, and remember that it's okay to fail as long as you're learning from it and you're doing your best. So we miss you and we love you here in the Philippines. See you. Bye-bye.
Hei Emilie, gratulerer med konfirmasjon. Jeg beklager at jeg ikke hadde tid å komme i konfirmasjonen din som du måtte på jobb forrige søndag, men jeg håper du hadde en fin konfirmasjon i kirka og en enda finere feiring i dag med masse gaver.